Victim attempted to leave the location and rushed down the stairway. Victim stated suspect dragged her up the stairway in an attempt to prevent
This
victim
opening
from
is
leaving.
already
Right.
intense.
Court is
Dragging someone upstairs is a classic controlling behavior red flag. Courts take this very seriously because it shows force, intent, and a complete disregard for
in an
consent.
attempt to prevent victim from leaving. Right. Court is calling 2025 CR 005466 State versus Lindsay Terriano. Do I have parties announced?
Mr. Dean for the state of Texas.
Brian Kimbrough for Mr. Toriano.
Are you Mr. Terriano?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You entered into a plea. According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 5 years in the
Notice the
prison.
host points
There's
out
a
something huge. The defendant isn't denying anything. In court, that usually means the defense is hoping for leniency.
Punishment is to be assessed at a cap of 5 years in the prison. There's a $1,500 fine. The state is opposed to your applications. They're taking in consideration 2025 AL 007223, 2025 CR 010071. There's an affirmative finding of family violence and no contact with the complainant.
A cap of 5 years
Have both
means
parties-
the judge can't go above that number, but they can choose to go all the way up to it. With the state fighting probation, this man's chances
Contact
are
with the
dropping
complainant.
fast.
Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI evaluation in tab?
I
An
have Your Honor.
affirmative
Yes, Your Honor.
finding of
Any
family
obj-
violence is huge. It follows him for life. It affects job opportunities, firearm rights, and future sentencing. Judges don't take this lightly.
I have Your Honor.
Yes, Your Honor.
Any objections?
None from the state.
No objections.
Any witnesses state?
None from the state. No.
Defense, any witnesses?
No, Your Honor, just Mr. Toriano.
All right, you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Lindsay Toriano.
All right, you may proceed.
Thank you. Mr. Toriano, we talked before you came up here today, correct?
Yes,
Earlier today.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay. And I discussed the pre-sentence report and everything that was in it, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, in terms of the events, do you accept responsibility for what happened?
Yes, sir.
Was it your fault?
Yes, sir.
Yes. You have been on probation in the past, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
A number of times.
Yes, sir.
And have you completed all of your probation successfully?
Yes, sir.
I think you had one prior felony probation that you were on, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you completed that.
Yes, sir.
And your misdemeanor probations, you also completed those, correct?
Yes, sir.
Have you ever been to prison?
Never been in prison, sir.
Okay. Were you employed at the time of this event?
Yes.
And how long had you been employed?
8 years.
And do you believe that you could get a job if you were placed on community supervision fairly quickly?
Yes, sir.
Is it your habit to keep employment for a long time or a short time?
For a long time, sir.
Okay. Now, you have family support, correct?
Yes, sir. My 87-year-old grandma, she's here.
Okay.
And I have my uncle also.
And so your grandmother and your uncle are here in court today in support of you, correct?
Yes, yes, sir.
And your grandmother is 90, correct?
87.
She's 90.
Yeah.
Just spoke to her. She's 90 years old and she's here today.
Yes, sir.
And your mother was not able to attend, is that correct?
That's correct.
Because she's in California.
That is correct.
But you have a good relationship with her.
Yes.
So you have a lot of support. Do you tell the judge why you think you could succeed on probation?
I can succeed because I want to be there for my grandmother and my family, and I just want to move forward with my life and continue my career as a network technician. So, I apologize for anything that's caused and apologize to everybody, and I love everybody.
Do you have any substance abuse problems,
No.
drug problems, alcohol problems?
No.
Okay. You're a high school graduate, correct?
Yes, sir.
And you were also contending, or did you attend technical school?
Technical school, 2 years.
And counsel, I'm so sorry to interrupt. This is what I want to know.
Mhm.
Because he's applied for probation on a violation.
This moment right here is critical. Judge Boyd is basically saying, if you ignore a court order once, why should I trust you again? Judges always test credibility before granting probation.
Or bond, protective order, assault, stalking. I want to know why he won't leave this lady alone, because it appears she doesn't want to be involved with him anymore. So that's what I want an answer for, because we're here because there was a court order in place saying you were not to have any contact with her. The stipulations were that she was out with friends. You all were not together, and you followed her, and you wouldn't leave her alone. This is what you stipulated to, right? I want to know why he won't abide by court orders.
No, you're on. I apologize, but
No. I don't. I appreciate your apology, but that's not what I need. I'm trying to figure out why, because a court has ordered you not to have contact with her. According to what you stipulated to, she was out with friends and you were stalking her. You were following her. You violated the bond, the protective order.
yes, sure.
I want to know why he's violating the protective order, because that's an order, right?
Yes, sure.
And it says you are not to do certain things. And according to what you stipulated to, you did those certain things. If I were to place you on probation, I'm going to order that you do certain things.
Yes,
So I'm trying to figure out why you didn't follow the previous order.
Mistake.
What do you mean it was a mistake?
Mistake. How we were talking. That's
Well-
the reason why I was put it up.
There's an order in place. You're not supposed to do that. Are you saying you didn't know about the order?
I didn't know about it.
All right. So then it's not a mistake that you talked to her. You knew about the order and you started following her. I'm trying to figure out why you're doing that.
I was in love with it.
I'm sorry, what?
I was in love with it, Your Honor.
All right. And how old are you?
43.
All right. You may continue.
And I did want to point out, Judge, that based on the stipulations, I don't dispute what the court's saying. However, there's also, and I reviewed it before coming forward today, that she went
Felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence. You're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. So we are off the record. What I can tell you is the complainant no longer wants to be in a relationship with you. When you're released, if you have any items of hers, drop them off at the police station, wherever it may be. You
I
understand?
moved on with my mom. So
Okay.
I just want to go to California.
All right. Good luck to you. And counsel, if you remain, state will give you the dismissals.
Oh,
Thank you.
Triano?
Hmm?
Yeah.